Okay, we made it to the weekend, so if you're watching me live, how you guys doing? Okay. It's always great to be alive and kicking, isn't it? And having a good weekend. All right, it is Saturday, November 2324. All right, we're less than a week away from Turkey Day, where here in America, we're thankful. Okay, and I think we've kind of lost the meaning of Thanksgiving. Mostly it's about where you get deals on shopping for Christmas. All right, there's a Thursday, just gobble gobble and just eat an insane amount of calories and carbs and sugar and just fat so that we're just dripping with excessive blech. Then the day after Thanksgiving, we go shopping because you need to work off all those calories from Thanksgiving by getting deals for Christmas. Okay, so if you're celebrating Thanksgiving, awesome, or Christmas, or Kwanzaa, or who knows what other holiday. Maybe you don't even celebrate at all, which is probably the smartest thing to do, and it's definitely the cheapest. Okay, so if you watch my YouTube channel, you know I'm in a company called LiveGood. All right, living good, feeling good. It is a company based on membership. And if you are a membership website and you pay your $9.95 a month, that's right, $10 minus 5 pennies, you can shop wholesale. Similar to Amazon Prime, where you can get free shipping. Maybe you can go to Costco, pay your membership, and go in there and just wholesale shop like a maniac, which a lot of people are doing here in America today, because I drove by a Costco and it is just, parking lot is packed. Okay. And my good friend Tina is buying me one of those $5 pumpkin pies that are this big. So I have a head start on getting fat, like a week before, because I know that pie will be gone probably by tomorrow. And it's a commercial sized pumpkin pie. It's like this big as a car tire. For $5, that darn half of it will be in my guts by probably tonight, but I'm going to say tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, what is the trick to getting people to just look at Live Good and then sign up maybe as a member or an affiliate? I don't know if there is a secret sauce, gossip, tips, tricks. The easiest thing to do is just invite people to watch a small video. You can make a video like this if you want, but there's already a million made. And if you want to do what I do, just invite people. However that might be, it could be through an email. Hey, check this out. I think you might like it. Okay, in my case, joincorynow.com. I just send people to that domain name. They click it. It'll go to the Live Good capture page, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And then I let a 6-minute video hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky, kind of do everything else. Okay, I just say, Ben, take it from here. And if people want to buy the products, awesome, they do. If they want to save money and get wholesale pricing, they become a member. So they do that $10 a month minus those 5 little pennies. And then if they want to earn money, a one-time fee of $40, you can upgrade. That's right, one time. And I mean that. There's no reoccurring every month or every year. If you got two $20 bills, rub them together for good luck. And gosh almighty, you are an affiliate. You just have to maintain your membership status. So for $49.95, guys, you can come aboard. Or if you want to get 12 months for the price of 10, all right, it's $99.95. Okay, 12 months for the price of 10. Then do the one-time 40. So $139.95. It depends on what budget you're on. I don't make any more or less, so I don't beg for you to join at any level. Just do what you can afford, really. Okay? But I want you to buy the products, because if you use the products, you're not going to be embarrassed about talking about this opportunity. Because I'm not talking about Avon or Nu Skin or Amway, Herbalife. I'm not going to talk about Mary Kay Cosmetics, even if I have some on this beautiful face. I'm not going to represent something that I'm kind of embarrassed, and I got to be honest. I am embarrassed to wear any of those companies, even if I had a free hat or a free shirt. And I'm a hat whore and a t-shirt whore. Boy, you give me free shirts and hats, I love wearing those darn things. But I'm mighty happy just wearing my Live Good stuff. And I've got all the Live Good hats. Here's one of the dark blue, almost black ones. And I could put it on. There, don't I look like a company man now? Okay, so let me just show you a little thing that I do. I go ahead and get business cards from Vistaprint, okay? And this card right here is about $25 for a big box, $5 for shipping, $30. I have these cards in my hand. And if anyone on the street asks me about my opportunity that they might hear about, or see me post about on, let's say, Facebook, I just give them a card and go to joincorynow.com, guys. Okay. And where does it go? Well, it goes to a Live Good capture page. Okay. Do you want to see it? Because this is what you get when you join Live Good. Okay. Now, if you look at the top, joincorynow.com, you hit enter, and you see this capture page? This handsome guy in blue is going to take it from there. He's going to point to this video. So hit the play button and just watch the 6-minute video hosted by Ben Glinsky, our CEO. And you can tell within 6 minutes if you're interested or not of just buying the products, being a member, saving on the products, or becoming an affiliate maniac like myself here. Okay. Now, if you want to join, just put your name and your email address in and just hit reserve my position. Then go to your email and you're going to get a nice email from the company, and you can click a link inside the email where you can join. Okay. Now, if you're not ready to join, put your name and email address in anyway, because you'll get one nice email per day from LiveGood for 30 days. Okay. So if you join, I want you to know that if people put their name and email address in, you don't know how to do email campaigns or autoresponders where you got to get on your keyboard and write out an email. And if you're nervous of talking to people, I get it. But the more you do this business, guys, people that fill out their name and email address, they're just folks looking for a better body, maybe more health, maybe a little wealth. And they're just normal people like you and I, except I'm crazy. I got like toys and horsetail hair. But other than that, I got my Live Good hat on. Can you see? Purdy, isn't it? So anyway, keep things simple. Keep it fun. You don't have to storytell like I'm doing right now. If you just want to invite people to your link, your capture page, which is this handsome guy in blue, just pass over the opportunity to Ben Glinsky. And guys, if they sign up, yes, they go right into your group. Okay. You earn $25. You get paid every Thursday, which is mighty fine. Isn't that awesome? Awesome, huh? So, and why don't I just show you a little bit about Live Good? I like to keep my videos about 10 minutes. Okay. This is the products tab. I want you to look at all of our products and hit the white rectangle buttons because it talks about the ingredients, how to use the products, and of course the prices, retail, wholesale. You guys are going to love our prices. And yep, there's the hats and the beanie shirts, even a hoodie. It's getting winter time here. Go to the FAQ section. See on the left here? FAQ. Click it. Read these questions. And if you want the answers, just click the line. Super easy. Then go to the bottom of your cell phone or your laptop or home computer. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Just click it and check it out. We get paid 7 ways on the membership side. You don't have to buy any products to earn a commission. But go to the bottom of the pay plan link. Watch this video. It explains how we get paid. And it's pretty darn cool. Okay. So how do I attain affiliate status? $40. You got to be a member. How do you be a member? Well, just pay $9.95 a month. Or if you have $99.95, get 12 months for the price of 10. Then guys, you are done for the year. You're done now. Just get maybe some business cards, get a domain name, okay, from GoDaddy, like joincorynow.com. Workwithcory.com. Joincory.com. Joincorydraper.com. Do you see what I mean? Get your own domain name. And if they're not taken, they're only about $10, $11. And all you do is forward things if you want. You don't have to build a website and do all this crazy stuff. You've already got the website that I just showed you. The products are there, the ingredients, all the information, how to ship. Okay, how much is shipping? U.S. Post Office. You see how much the shipping is here in America. If you're outside America, okay, DHL International, you have a tracking link and you see how much the pricing is on the product, wholesale or retail, how much the shipping is. Okay, that's important because you want to know exactly how much it is before you hit buy. Credit card, debit card, it's up to you. We even have cryptocurrency opportunities. What is it? BitPay, iPayout. Okay. You guys work it out. Okay. And if you have any questions, just go to the FAQ or support@livegood.com. Because a lot of people outside the country, they want to know like how much is shipping, handling. Well, you know what, guys, just go like you're purchasing the product, put in your address and click and put it into the cart. and it'll show you how much it is. Okay, you don't have to purchase and then find out your shipping is $9 million and your product is only $5. Okay, we don't do that at LiveGood. We are a wholesale company where we want you to take the products and go resell them. Go put them in your gym. Go put them on an Amazon store you might have. Put them in the back of your trunk. All right, if you guys are here in Salt Lake City and you want something, I can stock a couple things. Maybe put them on my shelves here next to my Lego Harley Davidsons or my space shuttle or something. But it's fun to retail the products too, make a couple extra bucks. Okay, you can do that with LiveGood. Every other network company similar like us that might be MLM based, guys, you can't do anything that LiveGood allows you to do. Why do you think everyone is quitting traditional MLMs? Some companies 25 to 50% down on affiliate members. They're jumping ship. And guess what ship they're climbing aboard? The good ship Lollipop LiveGood. That's right. You join my team, I'll even send you a lollipop in the mail. How's that? Okay. Do you want a Tootsie Pop? Do you want a Charms Blow Pop? Guys, it's up to you, man. I'm easy going. Okay. All right. Thank you for the last 11 minutes of your life. Okay. And here's your homework. It's pretty darn easy. I'm just going to go ahead and show you my card one more time because sometimes visual is the way to go. There you go. joincorynow.com. Okay. Just do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and peace and love. All right. And if I'm on Facebook, just inbox me too if you have any questions. Okay, guys, have a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.